Welcome to Nona's Classic Stitches channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video in the globe. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking. And returnees too, thank you. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. We're going to start our dress today. So let's go on a machine and then I'll walk you through step by step. I don't know how far we're going to go, but as I said, it's going to be a series. So I'm going to start you with this, the inset, the dart, the shoulder, and so on and so forth. It depends on the time. Okay, so let's start. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start you off with the inset. Okay, and I know it's 5/8. And don't forget to back stitch. I believe you've cut everything with your lining and all that, so there won't be any problem following me. In the inset, it didn't ask to do this, but in the middle, snip it a bit, and then on the right hand side, snip, and then right hand side, okay? And then I'll iron it to one side, and then we're gonna do understitch. I believe you know what is understitch. If it's not, I'll walk you through, but just still check your manual. Okay, did I say manual? Check your instructions sheet. I'm not myself today, boy. Not at all. Okay, I'm gonna sew the dart both in the lining and the fabric. Please pin your dart so it'll be easier for you. Okay, now let me do the lining, dart. Okay, the dart is only the back bodice, okay? I'm not gonna pin this one, and as I said, beginners, please pin it. It's gonna be easier for you. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. And I forgot the other piece. Okay, I forgot to do the other front, the back dots. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I finished that. I'm gonna join the shoulder. Gonna join both shoulders in the lining and in the on the front and the back of it. Okay, that's the other side. There we go. And then from this, after this, I'm gonna go to the iron board and iron. Put the back bodice at the bottom and put the front bodice on top of the shoulder, because you had to ease in the back shoulders to fit in the front. So, and don't forget to back stitch. We've done this before, so you should be familiar with it, with easing. Okay, let's see the time. We have a little bit time, so I'm gonna do the other side. There we go. Make sure you have the right pieces together. Don't mix them up. It's possible to make a mistake easily. So see the front, the back, and this is the front. So make sure you have the pieces together. Okay, the right pieces together, I should say. So you see I have both armhole, the front and the back notches. That should help you. And as I said, the back shoulder at the machine, at the down at the machine, I should say, and then the facing is on top, so you can ease the back into the shoulder. Forgive me, but today I'm not myself at all. So forgive me with the my explanation and all that. Okay, I think. So I have that. The other piece. I'm gonna do the lining. For you to tell that you have the right two pieces together, make sure the both of the armhole is together. Then that should tell you that you're on the right, you have the right pieces together. Okay. Okay, and that's the front. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, folks, this will be the end of the video. Excuse me. And we'll continue next week. So I've done the lining, both shoulders, and then the dot, shoulders, front and back, and the dot. And I've done the same thing to the front. I mean, the main fabric. As I said today, I'm not myself. I'm getting all my words mixed up. Maybe I should have postponed it to do the video next week, but I don't know. Anyway, so I will see you next week. I'm gonna iron, and then I will leave as it is, and then next week I'll show you how to understitch, and then we'll continue. Okay, thank you for watching. So I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye bye for now.